Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Zelly. Welcome to my YouTube channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you. If you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Road to 100k guys, just take me to 100 guys. I'm not even asking for more, 100k guys. That's my trip to Geothermal Olkaria. We went from our place with my sister. We met the other group. We were in a group. We were going to Geothermal and Lake Naivasha just to explore Naivasha. Enjoy the moments, guys. Enjoy the video and kindly subscribe, guys. See the car vibes, guys. This is how we are vibing as we travel. This is our first stop, the viewpoint, guys.
Empty road beneath the wheels, dust wind steals a faded fields, endless lines along the plain, dark horizon stays the same. Radio hums low and thin, lonely miles sink deep within. No sign, no light, nowhere to lean, just the road in between. Driving slow through twilight haze, wandering in empty days. Cold wind rides the lonely track, leave the old ghost in the back.
We have arrived in Olkaria Geothermal. We are doing our entry. We have to do some security searches there. From there, we go in.
Pack your bags, let's get away. You know it's what you need. Sunshine's calling out your name. Come with me, I know a place. Why you traveling? 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 Why you traveling?
geothermal. Guess what, guys? The swimming pool is hot, very hot. Like, it was very enticing. It was nice, relaxing. It is natural. Just have a look of the nature, guys. Yeah, we started doing our team building in the water. We started vibing in the water, having fun, guys. We sang songs, we challenged each other. It was so interesting. The water is so relaxing. It's hot, it's calming. Oh my God.
Sasa ni chini. Hapa iko sawa. Hapa iko sawa. Wacha niwachukulie hapo. Nachukua, si ndaingia. Shiko, they know. Nani anaitwa Deno? Shiko, Deno. Jin.
Nani hapa aliyekuwa mtoto? Mimi. Nataka 5 of the best. Ile nitafikisha ngoma 5 mfululizo. Za wakiwa watoto.
Milka.
no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moved.
We are going to Lake Naivasha for boat riding, guys. It was interesting and so fun, guys. After boat trading, we went and ate fish and ugalai. It was so delicious. The fish was fresh from the lake, guys. That was our trip to Geothermal and Lake Naivasha. It was so interesting, guys. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, guys, please. Kindly subscribe. Have a nice time, guys. Enjoy. Thank you for watching.